The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now for those who might not know, you see, there seems to be somewhat of a dispute between Macka and Prettii on social media, you see me? And it reached to a point where Macka did a song and the song is said to be a diss towards Prettii, or you can say a disrespect towards Prettii, you see me? So this dispute seems to turn out into a lyrical feud, as I may see it, because it had came to my attention that Prettii did a song. Yeah, Prettii do a song. But I soon get to that part, you see what I said? Now the song that Macka did, you see me? It is said to be a disrespect towards Prettii, but however, Amari's name got called into that song, you see me? So Amari do a video and she talk about Macka calling her name in her song, and she also do another video.
But does any of it make sense that my name end up in your mouth because it's rhyme? It's rhyme with your lyrics?
Now on social media, you see me, parts of this video is said to be a response to the song that Macka did. And Amari also talked about other female artists. You understand? Yeah. Amari mentioned Shensia's name.
Some of them pretty, but them don't. Like Shensia, no sense.
And she also mentioned Spice's name.
Some of them get a jump start like Spice. Other than that, she don't know fuck what she's doing with her life.
But anyways, viewers and subscribers, the whole thing is out there on social media. You don't know me Dancehall skill. I'm just, letting you know what's going on in a quick and, just keeping up to date and posting. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, we're going to talk about the two songs them now, right? We're going to talk about Macka song and the song that Prettii did. So the song that Prettii did is said to be a response to Macka song. You see me? Some persons on social media said that it is a diss towards Macka. Other things have been said about Prettii song. You see me? I said to you, viewers and subscribers, and I real me I tell you the truth, Prettii catch me off guard. Me don't know about nobody else, but the song where Prettii do catch me off guard because me don't know about nobody else but me. I did not know that Prettii can do music. I never know say that she can do somewhat of a music. I don't know, you see me? And I real me I gonna tell you the truth, viewers and subscribers. Me listen to two songs them. Me listen to two of the songs them, and I gonna tell you the truth. The two songs them sound good alike, but Prettii seems to have an edge up there. And the reason why I give Prettii the edge up there, see, is because she catch me off guard. The element of surprise. That's the reason why I say yo, Prettii the up there, so because the element of surprise they really kick in. You see what I say? Alright, but anyways, I'm going to just play a few lines from each of these songs. You see me? Just a few lines. You understand? You see me? I'm not going to really play the whole thing really and truly. I'm just going to say, just to make you hear a few lines. I'm going to tell you viewers and subscribers, and I really remember now, these songs are said to be some disrespectful songs. You see me? I say viewers and subscribers, so you're going to hear some words and some things in these songs that, some persons might not like to hear some of these things because it just seems to be some disrespectful things. You see me? The only reason why I present, the only reason why I'm talking about these songs, is because this whole thing is out there on social media and it's getting a buzz on social media. You understand? Yeah, this whole Macka versus Prettii thing, it's being talked about on social media, and you don't know. Me Dancehall, but they have to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Alright? So we're gonna take a listen, to few of the lines them from the two songs them. And then you might get an understanding as to why I say Prettii seems to get a little edge up there than Macka. Element of surprise. Me tell you that already. So, we'll get into the song, alright? Now, from right here, viewers and subscribers, me I tell you from right now, in this video, you're about to hear some things that might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? Alright, so we're going to listen to lines from out of Macka song first. You understand me? Remember, none of viewers and subscribers, this song is said to be a disrespectful song. So some of the words you are about to hear in this song, you see me, are some of the words you are about to hear in these lines. You see me, they might be considered to be harsh and disrespectful. Alright? Remember now, alright? So if you know you don't really like to hear them kind of things there, viewer discretion is advised, alright? Alright. Macka Diamond song. Go listen a few lines.
Yeah, about your name pretty damn you ugly like sin. Underneath you think like old rubbish bin.
So me I talk about viewers and subscribers, like really and truly the disrespect in the song, like, you see what I say? Yeah, these are the things me I talk about, really and truly, you know, but you know, me just have me hear what I go on, and you know, and I like me support the disrespect thing, me not support the disrespect thing, you understand me? You see me, but you know, I guess this is just out there, me just have me know what I go on, so listen to the next line now, me hear what I go on again.
Drunk or fly down and ask where you been at Amari, pum pum, your nyam is din din.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to stop right there, so I'm not going to go too far, I'm not going to further another song here, really and truly. I just hear Amari name a while ago in the song, really and truly. I not go too far in the song, you see me? You can support the artist, you can go listen to the song still, you see me I say? Alright, we're going to take a listen to Prettii Dance song you know. You see me I say to you? Yeah, Prettii Dance song we're going to take a listen to. Alright, so Prettii Dance time you know, we're going to listen a few lines from Prettii Dance song and see what I go on. Observe with me.
What the old woman send for? Big pussy Macka tech center.
As it start is a disrespect. You see what I talk about? As it start. Alright, another line again.
We have the secret. You pump on my agenda. And she's up with Brenda. No one can send that. That's what them send for me.
Prettii Dan, you really surprised me though. It's just that, you know, me rather hear the song them in some positive songs. So I say to you about, don't surprise me. Me could listen one more line.
We put you a cemetery. Trina, you find with your nose and your temporary. The one thing don't study. Never do.
Viewers and subscribers, alright, that's why I stop it. I'm not gonna further in that song. But really and truly though, Prettii Dan surprised me there, so you see me? Me don't know about nobody else, but it's the first me I hear a song from Prettii Dan. You understand? Macka Diamond, trust me, you shell down the place many times with some great songs, you understand me? Yeah. The Bunny man all them song there and them song there, see me? Your cow foot and them thing there, me not telling you, Macka Diamond do some good song, but really and truly right now, me don't know what I go on. Prettii Dan, that one song yeah, it a go on. Me could say how the thing go, you see me I say, go up say, you just keep this thing on a lyrical thing still, you understand me? Because me get to understand so these type of lyrical confrontation, it somehow generates money. You understand? And you know, it brings a lot of popularity as well, and you know, it's like it make business goals. I don't know why business need feud some of the times when it comes to music. I don't know why feud in music business sells so hard than when a normal song just do. I don't know why. And you know, me really and truly know why, but the reason why I say I don't know why is that, you know, I only hope it would be something better than just some negative comments and them things. You understand? But anyways, alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. I just try to make you know what I go on. Big up and respect to each and every one. Big up to you, my viewers and subscribers. Big up to Macka Diamond. Big up to Prettii Dan. And let's see what happens next. Alright? Yeah, big up to Amari as well. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. You know, big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.